Ready to unlock the secrets of boosting your site traffic? Let's get started. First up, keywords are your best friends. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner to find the best ones for your niche. Next, make sure your content is top-notch. Write engaging articles that answer your audience's questions. Don't forget to optimize your images too. Use alt text with your keywords to help search engines find them. Got a blog? Great! Post regularly and keep your readers coming back for more. And here's a big one: backlinks. Reach out to other sites and ask them to link to your content. This shows search engines that your site is valuable. Finally, keep an eye on your site's performance with Google Analytics. Track what works and what doesn't, and adjust your strategy accordingly. There you have it. Follow these tips and watch your website traffic soar. Happy optimizing!